Hi everyone, I'm back again with another cerulean blue comparison, but today we'll be taking a look at PB36. I don't have a lot of PB36 because I much prefer the PB35 for my cerulean blues, but this is definitely another good option if maybe PB35 isn't the hue that you like. I have three brands to show you today, which is White Nights, this one called Cobalt Azure Blue, and then we have Da Vinci's, which I believe is called Genuine Cerulean Blue or Cerulean Blue Genuine, something like that. And Daniel Smith's is the last one, and they call theirs Cerulean Blue Chromium. Let's get started, shall we? All right, White Nights was my first PB36 cerulean blue, and that's because I remember reading something on Jane Blundell's website. Jane Blundell? Blundell? I'm not sure how to say her name, I'm so sorry. But yeah, so I read somewhere that Jane uses, or she prefers PB36 for her cerulean blues, and I was like, you know what, maybe I want to try that too. So I got White Nights because, you know, it's cheaper than most out there. And you know what, I remember when I got it, I wasn't too impressed. Like, it's a bit dull. I prefer more vibrant colors or vibrant versions of cerulean blue. But I will say though that I do feel like this Cobalt Azure Blue PB36 feels more transparent than White Nights PB35 cerulean blue option. Okay, next we have Da Vinci. Ooh, definitely warmer than White Nights. That's very interesting. I wasn't expecting that. Beautiful granulation. Wow, I wasn't expecting there to be much of a hue difference. Okay, next up we have Daniel Smith. Daniel Smith, here we go. Oh, that's quite dull. I'm not sure I like that it's dull. Well, I mean, I don't like that it's dull. Maybe when it dries, the dullness will be better. I don't know, we'll see. We shall see after it dries. Okay, so right away I could tell that Da Vinci's version is the warmest out of the three, and then I'd say White Nights and Daniel Smith seems pretty similar in hue. There's a bit of a difference there where both of them are pretty dull and I can't quite tell which one's warmer or cooler. If I had to pick one, I think Daniel Smith's is the one that is cooler by just a tiny bit. Okay, we'll let these dry as well and then we'll come back. All right, I'm back. The swatches have completely dried. And what I can see here straight away is that Da Vinci is the most red leaning out of the bunch. They seem to granulate pretty well, these two, Da Vinci and Daniel Smith. However, White Nights doesn't seem to have that much of a granulation. I have used this a bit in paintings and whatnot, and yeah, I would have to say that it doesn't granulate too much, as in it's a finer granulation where sometimes there's color separation happening and the granulation does show, but not as much as typical granulations show up, like, you know, ultramarine blue and whatnot. However, Daniel Smith's is definitely more pigmented, and I think if you want to sort of get a feel like how I got this, because Jane said that she prefers Daniel Smith's PB36 over PB35 because it seems to be stronger tinting. I think you could definitely get the White Nights version to see how you like the hue and how it mixes. Oh no. And how it mixes with the colors in your palette already. And if you like it, then maybe you can upgrade to Daniel Smith or another brand with a similar hue. Personally, out of these, I think I love the Da Vinci. I seem to tend to like cerulean blues that lean more on the red side. And I think that's because blue greens, I already have my turquoises. And so this is sort of like the in-between where I don't know if it's a turquoise. I mean, obviously it's not a turquoise, but in my palette, I mean, I do prefer redder cerulean blues. Well, that's it for today. Do let me know if there's any other pigment comparisons you'd like me to do. If I have them, if I have a lot, or if I only have 2, I might do a short video. But yeah, let me know down below if there's any other ones you'd like me to do, and I'll see if I can pump them out. Alright, I think that's all I have to say for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.